the longest time, and I wrote probably 10 different songs over the top of it, and then I happened to go home and run into somebody that I haven't seen in probably 6-7 years, and we were wild about each other and in college, and we just kind of lost touch, and we ran back into each other, and I was like, we hadn't missed a beat. And after that happened, when the music finally made sense to me, and the lyric kind of came like this right here. Come on out, Mary Jane, I'm looking through your window pane. I heard you're back in town. Got some cheap cigarettes, your favorite beer, go with the dress always dream about. We'll chase some more ride stars, find the muscle in the scar. I know, still got something left. Come on out, take my hand, feel my heart, girl, understand. I got a thunder pounding in my chest. And hey, I can't see you as nothing but mine. And girl, tonight, let's go crazy one more time. We'll park the car, climb on the hood, turn it up when something good starts playing through these rusty doors. And let's get sweet every night, kiss your girl like get it right, 'cause I know that'll lead to more. We've all grown around where I'll gently lay it out. I'll try to tell you how I feel. To place a finger on my mouth, whisper, baby, no, not now. The night is young, we still got time to steal. And hey, I can't see you as nothing but mine. Girl, tonight, let's go crazy one more time. Engine burning through my jeans, I'll watch it fall fast asleep in this small town sky. Fade from black to blue. I will wipe a tear from my eye, but you'll never know. Darling, I'll smile as I wave goodbye to you. And hey, I can't see you as nothing but mine. And girl, tonight, let's go crazy one more time. I guess I'll always have this longing in my heart. You'll have a piece of me. But tonight there's a fire starting already, burning hearts, and you're all that I'll ever need. Yeah.